In the given figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters. A semicircle and a quarter circle are drawn on side AD of the square. Find the area of shaded region. You are watching Brain Exploders, the world where brain starts working. If we draw a semicircle on side AD of square ABCD, then center of the circle coincides with the midpoint of AD. If we start from D and travel half of side AD, after that we cover the same length horizontally, then we reach the center of the square. This point is lying on semicircle and diagonals of the square also passes through this point. Side length of this square is 14 centimeters. In the calculation of the required area, we need to calculate the area of the sector lying below the diagonal. It can be done using the formula half r squared theta, where theta must be in radians. Since angle between the radii of sectors is pi by 4, thus its area is half of pi by 4 r squared, that is pi by 8 r squared. Let us assume that area of these parts of the figure are A, B and C, where we have to calculate A. A can be written equal to A plus C minus C. A plus C is pi over 8 times 14 squared. C can be written as C plus B minus B. C plus B is a quarter circle. Its area is pi times 7 squared over 4 because radius of semicircle is 7 centimeters. B is a right angle triangle whose area can be calculated by half base times height. Both of its base and height are 7 cm in length. Therefore, B is equal to 7 squared over 2. In the question, it is given that pi can be taken as 22 by 7. On further calculations, we get required area equals to 63 squared centimeter. Let's move to our another question. In the following figure, BE is perpendicular to AC, CF is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to BC. If angle BAC is equal to 70 degrees, then find angle FDE. Try this question and send us your solution, and if you have any question like this, then please share with us. Don't forget to like and share our video, and for more such videos, subscribe to our channel Brain Exploders. Thanks for watching.